English step by step, present perfect and past, step 5. Make sure you watch the step 4 video, because in this video you're going to see a practice exercise. So you can look at the examples in step 4 before you try the practice exercise in this video. Remember, click like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and you can request a lesson in the comments below. So here is the practice exercise for this lesson. Choose either a past tense or a present perfect tense for the pairs of sentences below. Use the verbs in the list. So here's the list. Be and go. Now remember, in some situations you have to change be to go. Buy, eat, feel, have, make, meet, and watch. So decide which verbs you need for these pairs of sentences, and then decide which one needs the past tense and which one needs the present perfect tense. So I'm going to leave this exercise, this practice exercise, on the screen for 1 minute. You can take a photograph and write down the answers, and then you can find the answers in the next step 6 video.